All right, baby, you leaving?
Yeah. Love you.
Love you, baby. Be safe, all right? Don't talk to nobody. Oh my God. Oh my God. She got a...
Caught my wife on 4K.
On my phone,
Doing what?
looking at our pictures.
You're looking at our pictures.
Yeah.
How bad do you want a baby? Real bad, huh?
¿Cuándo te dice amarrarme, baboso? Ahorita vas a ver, pendejo.
Mamá, pero no te enojes.
¡Ay, me voy a enojar, idiota! ¿Ves cómo me pusiste? Te voy a matar a la chingada y estás grabando todavía, perro. ¡Oh! Pinche chamaco idiota, pendejo. Ve nomás cómo me dejo el imbécil. ¡Uy! ¡Te voy a matar!
Baby, are you working out?
That thing's jangling. That thing's jiggling.
Ryan, this is why I can never work out with you. Like, freaking, okay, you have to
Oh
pay attention, okay?
Yeah.
Oh my.
What's your email?
I'm a disappointment to my family.
Sorry?
At gmail.com.
Really?
Yeah, that's my email.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
So, what's your email, bro?
123. My dad touches me. At gmail.com.
Alright, thanks, bro.
All good?
Yeah, all good.
What the hell was that? This is the last straw. Guys, turn. I'm on my savage and make the face. Make the face. You first.
On my savage shit.
Yes! Yes! Your turn. Don't go. What the hell was that? What was that? What did I touch you? No. No. Turn back up. Turn back up. No.
Find your true laugh. Sit. Sit!
Guys, they're just shorts. I swear I'm not naked, okay?
Let it go.
What the hell?
Alright, I have to lay down first.
What the hell? Bitch, I can't.
Alright, your turn. Your turn. Your turn,
I
hurry.
thought I was about to die.
Come on.
I had a wedgie.
Come on.
Okay.
Stop doing that!
O que tá acontecendo aqui?
Ela tá se engasgando.
Tá se engasgando, Paulinho? Ajuda ela, amor. Tá melhor? Tô.
Bro, are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Bichotazo.
Bro, no. Serious, bro?
Bichotazo muñeño.
No, bro. You serious?
Bichotazo.
Bro, no.
Bicho-
Where the fuck you going, bro?
Bichotazo
No.
muñeño.
Bro.
Bichotazo muñeño. Bichotazo. Bichotazo muñeño. Wake up, muñeño.
Hey, Floyd Mayweather. On June 6th, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Another jelly fruit video. Let's get it! Alright, wait. This time, make sure you guys, before you eat, it's all the way in your mouth. I'm not trying to have it explode. Ready? Alright, come on. Who was that?
It wasn't me.
Ah! Who was that?
This right here is a test to see if she's able to go outside with her public safety non-having ass. All right. Now, what would you do if two guys started following you in a parking lot?
I would call you immediately and hide.
Okay. Now, what would you do if you didn't have a phone?
I would probably go to the nearest store.
Okay. Now, what do you do if two people hurt you or attack you or put their hands on you? What are you gonna do?
Well, pepper spray them first, and if that doesn't work, tase them.
Okay.
Always in the back pocket.
What if you don't have a taser?
Kick them in the BA double hockey sticks S.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
I think you passed. You can go now.
I can go?
Yeah.
Really?
Get the hell out.
Okay, so if I'm in danger, I'll call you.
All right, thank you.
Oh, not again! Not again! Look at the fish over there!
Aggressively cleaning hair off my client?
What do you think, man?
That's dope. Some fire.
Fire?
Like always.
All right. Clean you off here.
Yo, what's that about?
Just cleaning you off,
Chill,
bro.
Bro, like really?
I'm just doing my job, man. Chill out.
Oh, what the fuck?
Chill.
Spraying cologne in my car to see my girlfriend's reaction.
She's so fine.
Do I look cute?
What a kid, man.
Babe, it smells good in here.
What?
Yeah. Who had that type of perfume? I want it.
What you mean?
Baby, it smells so good.
That's a girl perfume.
Yeah, and I want one. You gonna give me one?
Shit, I thought you was gonna get mad.
For what? Shoot, I don't smell like that. Smell me. I want one. Get me one.
I'ma ask her.
You gonna ask her?
Yeah.
Yeah, because where she was sitting at? Here?
Yeah.
Cause boo-boo, it's all over the car.
Quiero intentar eso, pero con esto.
Woo!
Yo, relax, bro. You can pass me that time.
Bro, what the?
Bro, what did I tell you about getting out of the company, bro? Damn.
Bro, here.
You got girls here and everything.
Okay,
chill, bro. Fucking.
Shit,
Yo, we gotta cook some pizza. Bro,
What the fuck are you doing?
bro, do this shit one more time, bro.
Bro, what's good with you?
Lauren, no! Oh, is that fake?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get my mom.
Okay.
He doesn't know I switched out the fake egg to a real one.
Wait.
Lauren, you told me it was fake.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Sit in the chair.
Why do I gotta sit in the chair?
You ready?
Yeah, I still don't know what you're trying to. What the heck is wrong?
这什么？来，给我瞅下来。就在这个位置啊，我不知道你们能不能看清。这块石头跟其他石头可不一样。来，咱们先干开看看什么。先把它干开啊，看有什么不一样的地方。哎呦我去！这东北下雪了，天太冷了。我去，刚开了！哎呦我去，看一下，看这块石头，跟别的其他石头有什么不一样？咱把它干开，太冷了，太凉了！我的妈！我的妈！
No, don't push that, bro. It's gonna break. Ooh, that was a close one.
I cut somebody's hair for the first time.
What? Like your cut, G? You feel me? You come on.
Jump out that bitch, nigga. You can't jump out.
Babe, I'm fucking stuck. Babe, it hurts.
Man, I ain't playing with you like I did last time.
Babe, fucking chill, bro.
I ain't playing with this bitch like I did last time.
Dale fuerte, dale con huevos. Ay, chingada madre, no, Sairmes, no, dámelo. Ahí está.
Would you do this for $50? Would you take that chance?
No, get away from girls. I don't think he gonna make it, y'all. He ain't gonna make it.
Where the cheerleaders at? Cheerleaders, cheer them on. Say go, and go, and go.
I'm finna land in that water, don't you?
Yeah. He about to land it out. You might make it. You might make it. Just keep the faith in that 50. No, Curry. Not in them shows.
What the heck is he doing, bro? Yo.
Hey, Dylan.
Yeah.
So I was trying to get my Amex Centurion Black card out of my crocodile leather Saint Laurent wallet here.
Okay.
But it fell between the carbon fiber center console and the carbon fiber bucket seats in my 2021 McLaren 765 LT.
Okay.
And I'm wearing my all diamond Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, so I can't reach it. I noticed you're just wearing an Apple Watch. Could you get it for me?
Oh, of course, dude. Of course. Let me just reach down there.
Why you do that, man?
My girlfriend trying to climb a fence?
I can't do it.
Try. Just try. Just put your feet
Should
up.
I take my shoes off?
No, that'd be bad.
That would
That'll
hurt.
hurt. Oh, keep going. Legs. Trust me.
You're slipping.
I say sit on it. What are you doing? Up.
So, you want to know what Roy did to me during Netflix and chill?
Nah, I guess.
Now shut up and do not speak during the movie.
She talks too much.
YouTube じゃなくてよかったよ YouTube じゃなくてよかった YouTube だったらボツの
My friend Cam and I are about to break into Kyle Massey's house. The childhood star known from Corey in the House or That's So Raven. Looks like security's in the front, so we're gonna have to climb this wall and sneak through the back. So you're probably asking yourself, what is our motive? Since he's our favorite childhood actor, we believe if we steal something that's highly valued to him, that he's gonna have to become friends with us to get it back. Whatever it is that we steal, of course. Since all the bottom doors were locked, we decided to try the top doors to see if we'd have any luck with those. And by our surprise, it seems we have found our way in. Time to go in stealth mode and be extra quiet and see what we can find. Once we entered this room, I could not believe my eyes. We found Corey in the house's room, and not to mention, this guy was in bed with other girls. The dude was all grown up. While being extra quiet, we decided to steal one of his expensive watches. This should do the trick. As soon as we thought when our mission was a success, that's when something went terribly wrong.
We gotta go, bro. We gotta go.
Stay tuned for the next update.
Your mom was so fat when Dracula sucked her blood, he got diabetes.
You got diabetes. Oh yeah? Well, your mom's so fat, every time she steps on the scale, it says to be continued.
Okay, bet. Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Can you step on the scale for me, please?
Why do you want me to weigh myself?
To see if it says to be continue.
Get back here, you little.
It's gonna help me!
Alright, y'all, you already know what the challenge is. Tanner Fox is here. About to let him hit me in the core. Let's see what he got. Let's go, Tanner.
This dude doesn't know what he got himself into.
Oh, actually. Oh my God. Way harder than I expected.
Was it?
Swear to God, no cap. Hey, FF. It's fake. Hey, babe.
What? Babe, I already know this is fake. I'm not gonna fall for it.
Oh my gosh.
Are you
I'm
serious?
sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, you're really pretty.
Thank you.
You want to go on a date sometime?
I have a boyfriend.
What? Boyfriend, suit yourself.
Is that your car?
Yo?
No way. Let me come with you.
No, you can't come with me.
Why? You just said I could.
You have a boyfriend.
I don't. I was kidding, dude.
Yo, no, you can't come with me.
What do you mean?
No! No!
Let me in.
Today. Okay, put it in, plug it in.
I know you and me was thinking the same thing. That's why we friends.
Yo, Fritz. That's good. Bet you $100 you can't shoot it over this volleyball net and in from half court.
$100?
$100.
Bet. I want my money.
I got the game with me. I got Diva with me. Diva! Motherfucker, coño! Let's go. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Go.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
You done lost your goddamn rabbit ass mind with that bullshit ass layup. What you thought was gonna happen? You was gonna get a free layup?
Shit ain't working, Jill. Shit ain't working, Jill. Come on. Fuck out of here, man. Stop that stealing shit, bro.
Blue. Red. Silver. 有人。